Storing this cylinder vacuum cleaner from Hoover is fuss-free thanks to its helpful compact design. Cyclonic technology utilises a single cyclone separation system which separates dust from the air that's sucked in, providing deep and powerful cleaning that saves the need for frequent filter maintenance. A large 2-litre capacity comfortably holds a large amount of dust and dirt, so you can clean for longer without the need for frequent emptying. The 2-in-1 tool combines a dusting brush and a crevice tool and can be stored on board when it's not being used. Clean any surface with ease with a single super convenient accessory. Clean your home without disturbing anyone with the quiet performance of this Hoover Bagless vacuum cleaner.